Sources are telling your channel that the JPC has in fact suggested that A. Raja, in fact they have suggested A. Raja that Vahanwati's commission can be sent to Raja and he can in fact give his written version. We are in fact joined in by Nandita Suneja with all the latest. Nandita, for the benefit of our viewers, if you can tell us what exactly is the purpose behind this particular suggestion?
Well, Sanket, for the last couple of weeks, there has been this controversy brewing that Mr. Raja, A. Raja, wants to appear before the JPC. He wants to depose and give his version into now we know that the JPC has been uncomfortable about calling A. Raja for a physical deposition. A. Raja has written a letter to the JPC chairperson, P.C. Chakma, and now source is telling us in the JPC that the JPC chairperson has spoken to Raja and said that submit anything, he can give a written submission, which clearly indicates that the JPC does not want Raja to physically depose before them. So what they are saying is that Raja can give a written submission, is circulated to all the members of the JPC, and his version can be taken into account whenever a final report is prepared. So what is significant is that the JPC has made it very clear that they don't want Raja to physically depose. If he has something to say, he can write it and send it to the committee.
All right, Nandita, let's in fact listen into what Yashwant Sinha had to say on this.
Mr. Jaswant Singh and I were sitting in the central hall when Mr. Raja approached us and gave us the same information. And we have told him that this is an issue that we will discuss in the party and then let him know our reaction. So please wait. Whatever steps we take in the JPC is after the fullest consideration in the party.